welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Imbewu the Seed from the 12th to the 16th of October 2020 on Monday. Punyuka picks up his shovel once again. Phakade agrees to help Punyuka dig into Menzies' past on Tuesday. Punyuka learns a juicy secret about Menzies' past. After the cleansing ritual is complete, the Bengu family seems to be more at peace, but for how long? On Wednesday, after a steamy love-making session in the elevator with Fikile, Nkulego is wrapped in guilt. On Thursday, Nkulego avoids making love to Zetu again. Nokzola is offered the job, but it's not pleasant on Friday. The Bengu women thinks that Nokzola is cheeky and overstepping her status. Meanwhile, Sebenzile encouraged Mbali to follow her dreams. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thought. If you want the full episode, let me know. I will send you a link. Till we meet again, I love you so much, guys. Bye.